camo coat, non-reflective paint. So that's key here, because we're trying to stop reflection. You can see just how reflective that is. And that was supposed to be a flat barbecue paint. Just make sure that you cover everything. Use this nice discarded pizza box, great source of cheese, and protecting surfaces you don't want paint on. And that's it. We'll show you what it looks like when it dries. Okay, so we've given this camo paint a chance to dry, and as you can see, there is quite a difference between the two. On the left here is the camo paint. On the right here is the standard barbecue paint. Now, barbecue paint didn't indicate that it was low gloss, but as you can see, the lids are almost identical, and I know it's hard to show on a movie here on a clip, but it actually has a matte texture feel to it. So anyways, if you're looking for something that is going to reflect the minimum amount of light, I'd definitely look at the Beauty Tone camo paint.